Hi there! Welcome to my YouTube review of the ZZHORMQIB hammer. I should mention that I received this product free in exchange for an honest and unbiased review. Let's start with unboxing. The product arrived professionally packaged. As you can see, it's actually quite hard to open. Oh, and there's even more packaging, no doubt to protect it from damage. This is really thoughtful of ZZHORMQIB. Okay, it appears that there is some assembly required. I think this is standard. All we need is a bit of adhesive and we're good to go. Now, we're not going to be doing any hammering because it appears that the set does not include any nails. This is a bit surprising and is the only downside I see. Still, this is a really nice and robust product that is sure to last many seasons. It also feels really good in your hand and is perfectly balanced. Okay, not here, but right around here. In conclusion, the ZZHORMQIB hammer is a great buy. If you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe.